Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Malaha Thina and I'm the news editor of IBP News. So today is 7 June and today we have the IBP Open Networking. It always happens every month. You guys can have a look. There are so many people who have come in. There are so many new faces. There are so many old faces. There's so many people who are just in contact with each other. They're networking with each other. It's superb. There are a lot of people who've bought some stuff also. They've displayed things like cosmetics and chocolates and Ayurvedic things. So it's beautiful, it's wonderful. You guys can have a close look at what others are doing. They're having fun, they're talking to each other, they interact. Hi, what's your name and what do you do? What's your business category?
My name is Amrez Khan. I'm into interiors. I'm designing, we are architecturing interiors, and we are making house, offices. Plus we go in for construction, we go in for redevelopment, and a lot of things connected to construction. Basically specialize into interiors and a lot of architectural interiors, which is basically that. In details we will let you know about it later on when things are asked about what is architectural interior. So we are specialized into all that, plus anything connected to constructions.
What's your name and what do you do?
So my name is Hiren and I do media designing and digital print media designing. So it completely into a graphical. So offline I like print media, digital media, or any packaging or logo designing or collateral designing. So all designing stuff we do.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. What do you do and what's your name?
Yes, my name is Raviraj Manik Doifode. My therapy center in Vikhroli from last 3 years, and 400 members successfully with disease.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Hi, can you tell me what's your name and what do you do? What's your business category?
Hi, my name is Shushant Khadapkar and I am a tour operator. I operate different types of international and domestic tours.
Okay, you like it here? Do you like the whole atmosphere here?
Yeah, very cooperative and very much networking group. I can do very easy networking here.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. What's your name?
My name is Bhavesh Gandhi and I am into the business of CCTV cameras since 1989. We manufacture cameras also and we are the distributors for Hikvision, CP Plus and other brands, camera, time attendance, access control. So all type of security solutions under one roof. And we have major projects like Loda and Earth Builders. We have done for Tata hospitals. Our clientele also includes Yashraj Studio, HDFC Bank, then so many clients, Singapore International School.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Hi, what do you do? What's your name?
Hi, I'm Dhananjay Joshi and we are into tea coffee vending machine business and the premix manufacturer.
Oh wow, that's
out
nice.
of Borivali.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, आपका नाम क्या है और आप क्या करते हैं?
जी, मेरा नाम अमोल लवंदे है और हमारे कंपनी का नाम है वत्सला एंटरप्राइजेस। हम दहीसर से ऑपरेट करते हैं। हम लोग सीसीटीवी, बायोमेट्रिक, इंटरकॉम, वीडियो डोरफोन में डील करते हैं।
Oh wow, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. What do you do and what's your name?
My name is Sanjay Mathur. I am a brand and marketing consultant. I advise a lot of startups and small scale companies for their branding their product, marketing their products, taking their branded products forward, growing their sales and advising them on a lot of issues which probably they are not aware of as of now, and they're not doing enough to promote their product and get that kind of sales and results which they would otherwise do.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Okay, आपका नाम क्या है और आप करते क्या हैं?
Okay, myself Bhanu Prakash Gupta. I am a DRC scientist. I am working for Mission Healthy India, followed by Mission Organic India. I am working as a health consultant.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Hi, what's your name and what do you do, sir?
My name is Sridhar and my company name is Pest Care Services. We are into pest control.
Oh wow, that's nice. Thank you. And you like it here? How do you like it here?
Yeah, this is my first visit, but looking forward for good connects and good referrals.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hey, what's your name and what do you do?
Yeah. Hello, my name is Prashant Ayapade and I am a private equity consultant. Any private limited companies we convert into public limited company. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks a lot. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
Okay, so my name is Milind Mainkar and basically I protect the homes and business places with electronic security systems. Like we install CCTV cameras, wireless cameras, anti-theft alarm systems, etc. which can help to protect the thefts and dacoities and robberies.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. We need that. Yeah, thanks. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
आई एम हिरल पंचोली फ्रॉम टॉप वॉश क्लीनर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जहाँ पे मैं आपके जूतों से लेके आपके कपड़ों तक और आपके घर के क्लीनिंग से लेके आपके सोफे की क्लीनिंग तक, कर्टन, कारपेट, चेयर और काफ़ी और भी चीज़ें जहाँ पे क्लीनिंग वर्ड्स आते हैं, वो सारी सुविधाएं मैं पेन मुंबई आपको सर्विस देता हूँ। जहाँ पे मेरे 3 स्टोर्स है मुंबई में, कांदिवली ईस्ट में, लोखंडवाला में, मलाड एसवी रोड नियर मिलाप थिएटर और अंधेरी आज़ाद नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन के नीचे। जब भी हो क्लीनिंग की हो बात तो याद रखो टॉप वॉश के ही साथ।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so we come here now. She's a makeup artist and she's got a large, huge variety of a lot of things. So first I'll ask her what her name is and what does she do basically. You know, she can specify and she can say it her, you know, her in her language. Yeah. What's your name?
Sangeeta Vishwakarma. And I am here to show all the cosmetics which are vegan and vegetarian products. All certification like cruelty free, paraben free, dermatologist tested, and the best thing is these are paraben free. So we have large range of cosmetic you just love, and I tell you, every male, if they want to give their wife something, they should go with this.
So all of you all know, okay, so if you want to give your female something, you should give this. I mean, this is something very, very cute, very
5 seconds.
And even all the bottling is so, you know, so beautiful. The bottles are beautiful. The labeling is so beautiful. Please have a look. It's amazing. It's superb. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
Hi, I am Roshni Arora and I am a distributor in Modi Care. Organic product, Ayurvedic product, vegan products. So use product directly from manufacturer and get quality product and save your time and money. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Hi, what do you do and what's your name?
Hi, thank you for having me here. My name is Malia Chishti and I'm a fashion designer and a stylist. I basically belong to Ajmer Sharif and I've been doing my fashion designing and styling work for almost now 10 years.
Wow, it's wonderful. Ajmer is something very, very, you know, renowned and a lot of people know about this. Okay, now you've come here. This is the first time you've come. Yeah, how do you like it here?
I think it's just the beginning. I'm already liking it. Let's see how it ends.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, yeah. Hi, what's your name and what do you do?
Hi, my name is Roop Lakani. I'm into tarot, numerology, Vastu, coaching, healing. I'm doing a lot through my different expertise, helping people wherever they are stuck. Whether it's your business card, whether it's your mindset, or whether it's anything to do with your space where you are in. So you can always contact me for whatever problems you are facing, whether health issue, relationship issue, business issue, or even finance issues. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay, hi. What do you do and what's your name? I can see a lot of things in your hand. So can you please explain what all these things are? Very interesting, very colorful.
Hi, my name is Hiral Ahuja and I have my cafe in Kandivali West and Borivali West, and our specialty is we serve healthy and gluten-free cookies made from organic jaggery, and these energy bars also made from natural sweeteners, no preservatives at all. Everything is baked by us.
Thank you so much. What do you do and what's your name?
Hi, my name is Jaya and I'm a graphic designer by profession, and I've been in this field from last 20 years, and I design all your business identity and take your business to a next level.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah. एक मिनट, हाँ, आपका नाम क्या है और आप क्या करती हैं?
मेरा नाम रेनू गुप्ता है। मेरा स्पोर्ट्स एंड फिटनेस इक्विपमेंट का B2B का बिजनेस है। मैं पैन इंडिया बिजनेस करती हूँ। बेस्ड इन मुलुंड है और मेरा गोडाउन है, नॉट ए शोरूम, गोडाउन है, जिसमें कि मैं डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर से प्रोडक्ट लेके आती हूँ और सेल करती हूँ। B2B के रेट पे सेल करती हूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक्स अ लॉट। थैंक यू सो मच। या अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है और आप क्या करते हैं?
मेरा नाम सुरेश भाई है और मैं फैशन टेलर हूँ।
आपको यहाँ पर अच्छा लग रहा है? आपको यहाँ पर अच्छा लग रहा है?
यस।
पहली बार आया?
यस, फर्स्ट टाइम।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू। What's your name and what do you do?
This is Anu Kapoor from Chocopal, and I'm a baker and a chocolatier since last 12 plus years, and our USP is especially we do healthy bakes and chocolates. We do it, which we are doing our branding on the chocolates of Chocopal. You can see to it, and we have designed 6 flavors in this. You can try out our flavors. These are our marble cake, and these are our butter cookies, which are very tasty and very good.
They look very lovely and very tasty. Thank you so much, Anuji. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Your name and what do you do?
My name is Suraj Bakle and I'm into social media. We do all kind of social media marketing stuff, advertisement to your production. Also, we are doing PRs and influencer marketing. So, if anyone wants to know much more about me or my company or my services, please let me know via IBP. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. We all, I mean, I've taken interviews of everyone. Everybody is interacting with each other. They all are very happy. There are some new faces, some old faces. It looks really amazing, lovely. You can have a look. A lot of people are interacting with each other. There are a lot of people who are showcasing their stuff. I'm sure you guys can see. I mean, there's this chocolate here. There's somebody, you know, who's showcasing cosmetics. There's somebody who's into, you know, Ayurvedic products. So it's lovely. It really looks very nice. Though the space is very crowded, but a lot of people are, you know, interacting and talking to each other. They're exchanging cards. So it's amazing. As you guys can see, as all of you all can see, superb feedback. There are a lot of new people who've come in. We've added a lot of new people, a lot of old faces, and a lot of people are making good business here. So it's an amazing, you know, amazing feel.
Hello friends, how are you all doing? This is Roop Lakhani, your Vice Captain. Attention please, can I have your attention? We are starting meeting in exact 7 minutes. Please wind up to whatever you are doing. Thank you.